Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the behavior of the network elements. Effect of switching on circuit element, that is during transient. During transient, what is the behavior of the network elements? Resistor, capacitor and inductor. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. First element we'll consider the resistance. There are two cases we'll see. Behavior immediately after the excitation is given, T0 plus instant, after closing the switch. Behavior as T tends to infinite, that is steady state, after steady state. So after immediately switching close, T equal to 0 plus, and also T tends to infinite at steady state. In case of resistor, there is no change. During the, before switching the, or after switching, or after steady state, it behaves same as. There is no change in current or voltage in case of the resistance. Right. Now we'll go to the inductance. What will happen to the inductor? So inductor is available. So it acts as a open circuit. Immediately after closing the switch, it acts as a open circuit because the inductor will not allow sudden change in current. While applying the DC voltage, it acts as a open circuit. After steady state, it acts as a short circuit, right? Immediately after closing, it acts as a open circuit, thereby short circuit. Suppose already the current is flowing through a inductor, then it acts as a current source. It acts as a current source. After steady state, it acts as current source in parallel, short circuit in parallel with the current source. So what available here? Short circuit. But due to the current, here the current source also available. So current source and short circuit in parallel, right? So immediately after closing, it acts as a open circuit, right? Thereafter under steady state, it acts as a short circuit. If already current is flowing, it acts as a current source. Because of already current available, it acts as a current source. In the steady state condition, current source and short circuit are available in the parallel, right? Now we'll go to the capacitor. Now we'll see the details about the capacitor. This capacitor, it acts as a short circuit. At the instant immediately closing the switch, it acts as a short circuit. If it is fully charged, then it is act as open circuit. During charging, it acts as a short circuit. After fully charged, it acts as a open circuit. Suppose already voltage is available. Suppose already the voltage is available in the capacitor, it acts as a voltage source. Earlier current is available in inductor, mean it acts as a current source. Here voltage is available, so it acts as a voltage source, right? So after fully charged, discharged, what happened? It acts as a voltage source in series with the open circuit, right? So during charging, it acts as short circuit. After fully charged, open circuit. Already voltage available mean act as voltage source. Under steady state condition, voltage source and open circuit, because at steady state there is no charging or discharging, so that it acts as a open circuit. So in this video we discuss about the behavior of the network elements: resistor, inductor and capacitor. The resistor acts as a same during switching, after switching or steady state. Inductor acts as a open circuit, thereby short circuit under the steady state condition. If already current is flowing, means it acts as a current source in steady state, current source in series with, in parallel with the short circuit, right? The capacitor mean it acts as a short circuit. It will start charging. After fully charged under steady state, it acts as a open circuit. If already voltage is available, mean it acts as voltage source. Under steady state, voltage source in series with the open circuit. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.